Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can list stuff and sell stuff on Facebook Marketplace. It's pretty easy, and I'm going to show you how you can do it. Facebook Marketplace is a really good place to sell stuff, since Facebook is one of the most popular social platforms on the whole world. So using it to sell stuff and just get a couple of bucks is going to really help you, and it's going to be really easy. So first of all, you're going to open Facebook. Okay, now once I'm Facebook, I'm going to scroll all the way to this besides the notification bell, and between the friend requests is the marketplace. Okay, you're going to click on the marketplace, and then over here on the top right, on the top left corner, you're going to find something called sell. Once you click on sell, as you can see, you're going to have items, vehicles, or homes for sale or rent. I'm going to click on take items, and once you choose items and it loads, you're going to add photos for your item. You're going to add the price for the item, the category of the item, if it's home, garden, or entertainment, clothing, or whatever. What is the condition? Is it used new, or used like new, used like good, or used like fair? Your location, and you can just boost, of course, the publish, so people can see it much more. And all of these bunch of options. Again, also you can add stuff on. You can sell vehicles too, cars, motorcycles, and stuff. As you can see, all my vehicles are all I have is just vehicles. You can actually sell also homes for sale, homes and rentals, or it's just new or anything. So yes, Facebook Marketplace is a pretty versatile place to sell. It's pretty easy, doesn't need any type of verification like Amazon is, but the thing is, it's not the most secure, or not the best products. You're going to have a hard time to find the best products. So yeah guys, that was how you can list a product on Facebook Marketplace. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.